Well, nope. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I thought I would take a little break from my usual gaming videos and try two TikTok hacks. The first one is Dalgona coffee. I hope I'm saying it right. So I've been seeing a lot of posts about this on Instagram, YouTube, it's everywhere, literally. And two of my friends sent me a photo of their Dalgona coffee and I was like, you know what, fuck it, that's it, I'm just gonna try it out. So to make the Dalgona coffee, you need 1 tablespoon of coffee powder. You need the coarse ground coffee powder kind, but I only have this really powdered fine coffee powder, so I hope it works. And the next thing you need is 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of hot water. Now you need to just dump these in a bowl, a really big bowl. It should be really wide so that you incorporate as much air as possible. And I'm going to be using a beater instead of whisking it with my hand because I thought it would be like really hard to do that. And I can't. So I'm just gonna put these in a bowl. Yep, got my coffee powder. Yep, I've added my coffee powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and one tablespoon of really hot water. My mom is helping me film this, that's why I just looked at her. Okay, so I'm just gonna beat this. I don't think this water is enough. I don't know, I'll see. So it's been like 2 minutes already and I don't see any difference whatsoever. But I think I just need to keep on whisking this. Also, by the way, if you're wondering why these two are like two different whisks, it's because I couldn't find the other one. So I got rid of the other beating thing because I think that was what like mixing up the airflow, whatever in this mixture. Oh fuck, I don't know what I'm talking about. So I think it's almost ready now. So I think I'm just gonna whip it for another 3 minutes. So it's been a total of 10 minutes almost and it's still not done. This is done. I'm just gonna pour a glass of milk. I really want to see how it tastes. Let me just. Okay. Wow, that is bitter. That tastes horrible. I hope it tastes better with coffee. Maybe I should have added more sugar. I don't know. It tastes like one of those coffee candies you get. Okay. I don't know, this doesn't even seem drinkable. I don't know. Wow, nope, that does not taste good. I think I did it wrong. I don't think I should have whipped it for such less time. Maybe like 20 minutes. So moving on to the next one.
To my girl Abby for showing me how to do this. So you want to get rid of all the borders on the picture and then place the picture face down on saran wrap and fold the edges behind the picture like I'm doing here. Once you have that done, you want to take parchment paper and place it over the picture with the picture facing up and iron it on the highest setting for about 5 minutes. Paper off while it's still hot, and there you go. Now you have a shirt with any picture you want on it. You can wash it and do whatever, and there you go.
So for my next hack, I thought I'd try the DIY transfer print thing. You don't need the transfer paper or anything. All you need is cling film, and apparently wax paper. So I am gonna try that out. Now for the print, I thought it'd be funny if this little cookie monster is saying eat shit die. I thought of going for some of those niche memes like that. I don't know, the really famous Michelangelo painting of the holding hands thing, but I don't know, this t-shirt is pretty old and crappy. So besides this different shade of blue along with this dark blue would be kind of irritating to look at. So what you need to do is wrap your print with cling film really well. So I don't know if the freshness of the print really matters, because it's been like a day. I was supposed to film this video yesterday, but I didn't. I was lazy. So I don't know if that contributes to anything, but we'll see. Oh shit. Okay, I thought the iron box was on and I thought I burned myself, but I didn't. Okay. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay, just wrapping this really well. So yeah, the first one is all wrapped up. Now I'm just gonna wrap the second one. So now you need to take your t-shirt, okay, lay it really well, and I think I'm just gonna keep the cookie monster here, wax paper, put it on top, and just iron, I guess. Yeah, nothing's happening. Oh my god. Yeah, I think I see something happening. I think the plastic is melting. I think that's what's supposed to happen. I don't know. Now I'm gonna give it another shot. The iron is really hot. Oh my god. Okay. Oh fuck, I forgot about the plastic of the wax paper. I'm gonna just burn the entire thing. Okay. I'm not giving up on this, okay? I'm not giving up. I don't want 2 failed hacks. I just feel so fucking gullible right now. I don't think any of these hacks work in real life. Hold on. I think I've been doing it wrong the entire time. Shouldn't the cookie monster be facing the shirt, not the other way around? It just stuck to this. Okay, you know what? Forget the cookie monster. I'm just gonna try this. Eat shit die. My brain isn't working. Okay, now taking the wax paper. Okay. I don't think this is gonna work, you guys. I don't think this is gonna work. Yeah, nope, that's a fail. That doesn't work, you guys. It doesn't work. This t-shirt and this.